I've been working on my D pillars today. So if you're familiar with it, it has open cell foam in the D pillar area right here. So what do we do about that? Well, we put the closed foam in there. That's what we do. We go get closed foam and we put it in there. This is going to get wet. As you remember from my previous video, the rust holes on the passenger side D pillar are punched through. It's going to require repair, welding repair on that panel, on that D pillar. It's very, very bad over here. I got to put it in there so you remember this. Remember this lovely hole here. Oh, there it is, right there. Rusted out, rusted out. You cannot stop water from getting in this pillar because it just goes in past the beauty panel that goes across there, and you just can't stop it from getting in there. Sorry while I pick that up and get that put back over here so I don't lose it or step on it and bend it and break it or something terrible happens to it. So yeah, so the beauty pillars had some really bad vinyl is cracking on it, it's peeling, it's falling apart. I got that over here. Sorry, I was gonna walk all the way back over. I should have got it out in the first place. So you can see that. That's just holy roller right there. It's just falling apart, rotten out. This one's not quite as bad, and I was able to get it off in one piece. So I can cut on another piece to match that one. If I lay it out and get it smooth, I can put that one in place of it. So today was, how do I get, after you pull the panel off, can I get that on? Yeah, there it is. So once you get the D pillar beauty panel off, it's got glue on it. It's lots of glue. So I attempted to take the glue off with glue remover, what's that stuff? Goo Gone and all those others, acetone. That's the best I could get it. It was even scraping it was just taking forever. So I let it dry and I got a sander out, and my sander took it off just fine. So now I've got nice pretty aluminum D pillars. I used 100 grit on my rotary sander. Ba-bum. They don't sponsor me. Anyway, so now I'm going to do the second pillar and get that one cleaned up. Got to find out, I got to figure out what I want to do. I want to use another vinyl and put on there. Put it like truck bed liner on it. Paint it? I don't know. I'm not sure. If you got an idea, send me a text or send me an email. Happy to hear from you and see what you think about that. I know you're going to reply, Larry. You always reply. You're my buddy. But yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do there. I think painting would be fine because I know I have to do the A and the B and the C pillars because they're starting to look pretty rough. And even on this side over here, we're already gone through to surface, so we got some surface rust starting here and here. So we've got to get that cleaned up, and we got to repaint those pillars again too. So everything's got to be painted above the doors there. So maybe paint them. Maybe I paint them, and then if I don't like it, I put vinyl back on it. Maybe so. Okay. Well, the second part of the day today was putting the finishing touches on all of my interior trim pieces. Oh, these are the D pillar vents. Mine look pretty bad, so I painted them. Coated them, 2 coats of paint and 2 coats of matte clear on them. Maybe I can save them. I did find a guy online a couple days ago that actually makes them, so I can get a couple of printed ones sent to me for not terrible amount of money. But anyway, so now got painted pieces. They look pretty good in my new color, and those interior pieces are all covered. They are ready for install. Here's some more. Got all clear, put the matte clear on it. The matte clear turned out great. Here's some more pieces. You can see that just enough shine to know that I can wipe them down if I have to. dash is pretty good compared to what it was. It looks great compared to what it was, actually. So we're all there on that. So those are the insides for those. Yep, that's pretty much where we stand today. Interior pieces today, trying to get those things knocked out so I can start reassembling the inside. I know there's a lot of welding to be done. I saw a video of a guy, I can't think of his name. He hasn't posted in a little while, of him removing his back floor pan. Lots of drilling. I have to find some good drill bits because mine suck. So that's where we're at. Just a quick note to let you know where we are. I'll get this posted up. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you always watching, and I hope it's helpful to others. That's the whole point of this channel, is just to share what I'm doing so others can see what I'm doing, and hopefully it helps somebody else. Somebody taught me how to do this, so I'm hoping someone else benefits from me doing it. We'll see. All right, so that D-pillar with some closed cell foam in it is going to be just wunderbar. So thank you very much. Bye.